Today, we're diving deep into the fascinating story of El Salvador's innovative use of volcanic energy to power their Bitcoin mining operations. 474 Bitcoins has been mined since 2021. As you may know, El Salvador made global headlines in 2021 when they became the first country in the world to adopt Bitcoin as legal tender.
In the short term, this will generate jobs and help provide financial inclusion to thousands outside the formal economy.
Now, the small Central American nation is taking their Bitcoin journey to the next level by harnessing the abundant geothermal energy from their volcanoes to mine this cutting-edge digital currency. It's a bold and ambitious move that showcases El Salvador's commitment to sustainable and cost-effective mining practices. At the heart of this initiative is the Bitcoin City project, a futuristic city funded entirely by Bitcoin bonds. This city, powered by a volcano, will be dedicated solely to Bitcoin mining and crypto businesses. It's a fascinating concept that has captured the imagination of crypto enthusiasts around the world. President Nayib Bukele, a vocal proponent of Bitcoin, has been heavily promoting the volcanic mining initiative. 300 processors were installed at a state-owned power plant. Out of 102 megawatt electricity produced by the power plant, 1.5 megawatt is devoted for Bitcoin mining. He believes that by tapping into El Salvador's renewable geothermal resources, they can create a mining ecosystem that is both environmentally friendly and financially viable. But how is Bitcoin adoption really faring on the ground in El Salvador? While the government has rolled out initiatives like the Chivo digital wallet to facilitate easy Bitcoin transactions, the reality is that adoption has been relatively slow so far, even after providing $30 in Bitcoin rewards. According to recent reports, less than 15% of the population has embraced Bitcoin for everyday purchases and payments as of early 2023. There are several challenges and criticisms that El Salvador's Bitcoin experiment has faced. Firstly, the extreme volatility of Bitcoin makes it a risky proposition as a day-to-day currency. Many Salvadorans still prefer the stability and familiarity of the US dollar. There are also concerns from organizations like the IMF about the risks of Bitcoin adoption. Some critics argue that Bitcoin is being used as a distraction from other pressing issues in El Salvador, such as human rights concerns and a crackdown on political opposition. The IMF has also warned about the risks of El Salvador's Bitcoin experiment. Despite these challenges, El Salvador's journey into the world of Bitcoin is a fascinating one to watch. It's a story of innovation, risk-taking, and the potential to revolutionize traditional financial systems. As cryptocurrency and blockchain technology continue to evolve, El Salvador is positioning itself at the forefront of this exciting new frontier. As we continue to explore the intriguing world of crypto on this channel, make sure to subscribe for more insightful and engaging content. And don't forget to hit that like button to show your support for our videos. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.